First, let's gather all of your ingredients you will need for this delicious recipe. For the bread, we'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Next, we'll need half a cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. 2 large eggs are also required, adding moisture and acting as a binding agent. Then comes the flavor. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mashed bananas, half a cup of chopped strawberries, and half a cup of your preferred chopped nuts. For the icing, we'll need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. First, prepare the crock pot by lining it with parchment paper and lightly greasing it. Next, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl. In a separate large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In the same large bowl, mix the mashed bananas and sour cream into the butter mixture. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in the chopped strawberries and nuts, pour the batter into the prepared crock pot, cover and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours. While the bread is cooling on a wire rack, it's time to make the cream cheese icing. Beat the cream cheese and butter together until smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla, continuing to beat until smooth. If needed, thin the icing with a tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches a drizzling consistency. Finally, drizzle the cream cheese icing over the cooled bread. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.